Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 1. Its title is The Two Brave Sahaba Razila Ta'ala Anhuma. Today's lecture 4 under the title of Pronunciation Skills. We learn about short and long vowel sounds. We'll cover page number 9 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 2, I have taught you about sounds of consonants and vowels. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. Today we'll learn further and we'll cover the SLO to pronounce and practice long and short vowels that occur in practice items and sentences in reading lessons. Pronounce long and short vowel sounds in pair of words. For example, A in bat and AI in rain, E in bed and double E in feet. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 1 till 4, the most compassionate taught the Quran, created humanity, and taught them speech. Yes, my dear children, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that Allah taught us Quran, Allah created man, and Allah taught them to speak. Allah taught us how to speak. This verse gives us a message that to speak, how to speak is a thing to learn, because Allah is teaching this to us. So this is what we are practicing, and every day we learn new words. What the concept we are going to learn is the vowel sounds. We are familiar with vowel sounds. Today we learn further that all the vowels have two types of sounds. One is called short sound and the other is called long sound. The first vowel is A. So the sound which we have practiced so far is short sound, as we say a and cat. So here A is giving a sound, which is the short vowel sound of A. But when there is a long vowel sound, the letter, all the vowels give its name. What is this? A. When we say long sound, it will sound A, as in cake, bake, fake, lake. All these words, when this letter A gives its own name, A, it is called long vowel sound. And when it gives short A sound, that is A or A, it's short vowel sound. Are you getting it? Next is letter E. The short vowel sound of E, as we have learned, is A, as in jet, net. The long vowel sound of E, as I told you, it will give its name, as in feet, leaf. The next letter is I. The short vowel sound of I is I, as in fish, in fig, and the long vowel sound of I will its name I, as in kite, ice cream. And the next vowel is O. The short vowel sound of O is a, clock, dog. The long vowel sound of O is O, the way its name is rope, boat. And the last vowel is U. The short vowel sound of U is A, as in sun and jump, and the long vowel sound of U is U, as we say cute, unicorn. So these are the long and short sounds of vowels. Now the question is how we differentiate. There are a few rules which we are going to learn today. The first is short vowel sound rule. When there is one vowel in a word, either at the beginning or between two consonants, it is usually has the short vowel sound. You got it? When a word comes in front of you and there is only one vowel, what is that, A, E, I, O, U, any one letter is there, that letter, that vowel will give its short vowel sound, which we just practiced, right? And for long vowel, there are many rules, but for now, we'll just learn two rules and we'll gradually keep on learning, okay? So the first rule we are practicing today is by placing two vowels together. If in a word you find two vowels together, when a word has two vowels, usually the first vowel say its name, that is long vowel sound. As I told you, its name is long vowel sound. And the second vowel is silent. The first vowel, when two vowels are coming together, first vowel will give its long vowel sound and the second vowel will be silent. We will not say. As there are two vowels, A and I, when they come together, as in rain, this A is giving its name A and I is silent. Rain, boat. This A is silent and O is giving its long sound. Peach, so on. This is rule 1. What I am telling you, there are two vowels. First one will give its long sound and second will be silent. The second rule is, if a word is ending on E, okay, and before E there is a vowel, that vowel will give its long sound, as in fire, in place. Okay, the last, I've taught you this before as well. This E is silent and what its effect is, this vowel which is before E, it's giving its long sound. This E is silent and this A will say its name, A, place, fire. You got it? These two rules, inshallah, we'll be practicing, and with the passage of time, I'll keep you teaching more rules of long vowel sounds. So let's see. This is what we have practiced. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, here you can pause the video and make students to say each word to practice long and short sounds. Then we'll proceed to book, inshallah. So this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given in description box. You may click it, link up, you may download it, print it, and follow this lesson as it is or modified for your convenience. It's time to practice. Pause the video and practice all these words. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you practice this again and again so that you can differentiate between long and short sounds. Now it's time to practice from your book. Open your book on page number 9. So what they want from us, pronunciation skills, short vowel sound. What your book is saying, sounds that are produced in shorter forms are called short vowel sounds. These are the examples. We can say it: ink, elephant, attack, knot, full, cup, ant. All right. All these words are carrying short sounds of vowels. And the long vowel sounds, sounds that are produced in longer forms are called long vowel sounds, as in jeep, shoe, before, mute, lake. Now, I believe you can say it and you know the rule. Here two vowels are coming together. Here is a silent E. That's why these vowels are giving their long vowel sound. Are you getting it? So, this is how we can differentiate, and there is another exercise to practice. Here we go. Read the given words aloud and recognize the difference between long and short vowel sounds. Now, these words carry short vowel sounds and these words carry long vowel sound. Here again, pause the video, say these words and practice it. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. And there is another practice. What we are supposed to do, read each word in the box below, tell if the word has a long vowel sound or a short vowel sound, and by writing in the correct column. There are two columns, one is for long vowel sound, one is for short. You'll keep saying the word and you'll keep writing the word in the relevant column. The way the first word is pain, pain. So it's giving long vowel sound, you will write it in long vowel column. And the next word is mud. It's giving short vowel sound, you will write in short vowel sound column. Again, pause the video and classify all these words in these two categories. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay, then tell it with mine one. Next word is stain, long vowel sound, smile, long vowel sound, bone, long vowel sound, pie, long vowel sound, mute, long vowel sound, stay, long vowel sound, pray, long vowel sound, lid, small, it's a short vowel sound, mug, it's short vowel sound, cat, short vowel sound, rule, long vowel sound, lord, long vowel sound, pill, short vowel sound, still, short vowel sound, bug, short vowel sound, bite, long vowel sound, sun, short vowel sound, wig, short vowel sound, and last word is boat, that's long vowel sound. I hope you did it correctly. All of you done it correctly. Good job. So it's time for practice. As in your homework, what you will do, you will find all the words with the long vowel sound, that is double E or double O, from unit 1, and then you will write these words in your notebook. You will also say these words for practice. And I'm giving you a worksheet here. Again, I have given you a word bank for practice, long and short vowel sounds, and after practicing, you will match these sounds with their relevant words. I hope you will enjoy it. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my children for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned that all vowels A, E, I, O, U have short and long sounds. We learned the rule of short vowel sound when there is one vowel in a word, either at the beginning or between two consonants, it usually has the short vowel sound. Then we learned the long vowel sound rules. What was rule 1? By placing two vowels together, when a word has two vowels together, usually the first vowel says its name, long vowel sound, and the second vowel is silent, such as in rain, boat, and peach. And we also learned that the words ending with a letter E, there will be a long vowel sound, as in fire and place. Then we practice the long and short vowel sounds in today's lecture. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO, that was to pronounce and practice long and short vowels that occur in practice items and sentences and reading lessons. Pronounce long and short vowel sounds in pair of words such as A in bat, A in rain, E in bed, and feet. Are we done with it? Yes, good job. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.